Today, we are going to the Alps.
Are you vlogging?
Yes.
Are you vlogging?
I'm vlogging.
Are you vlogging right now?
I'm doing it right
stream?
now.
Live
No,
stream?
I can't do that. I don't have the data for that.
Nice.
Are you ready?
I am so ready.
So our trains have continually been late, and we missed our connection. But on the bright side, this is the Bowdoin Day, right? Right? Bowdoin Day is Lake Constance, right?
Yes.
Okay. This we're at Lake Constance, so that's pretty cool. I didn't think I was gonna get a beach vacation. Oh, maybe these water things. It's like we're at a 21 Pilots concert. Lake Constance. Everything's first class.
This is
We're just VIPs. Wait, I'm sorry. What platform number was this?
6.
Sure wasn't 9 3/4. Yeah, 20 minutes? Yeah, we have time. Guess what? We're not gonna be late.
We're gonna be on this train for 20 minutes.
We're gonna be
I thought you were saying a picture.
There's a video.
Oh, hi.
Go, Alex!
Get in here. Wait, yeah, Dan, keep winning. So, I'm gonna take a picture now. Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
What are you recording?
He's
No, I'm just
recording.
holding it. Look at that. Oh shit! There's another train. This train is amazing.
It's like the best.
So many empty ones. We can like each get one.
No, you just go to
All right. Bye, Dan.
Go away.
Why do you have a service? You have a lot of beer. All right. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Enjoy. Go.
This is
Ja.
the party. Munich is the party.
We made a party.
Ja, wir sind die Party.
Train party. Fantastic. There's no better way to spend time. That was interesting. Schönes Wochenende. Schönes Wochenende.
What? Okay.
Soon as possible.
Yeah. Cheers. Cheers. Alright, can one of you explain what just happened?
So basically, we were in the Alex train, which was like the best train ever.
The best train, yeah.
It's
absolutely.
also named after my brother, so thank you, Alex. Shout out to you. And they just gave us a bunch of free shots and beer. I got a hat. I can't complain.
It's been
a
a
great.
win.
Was für ein schönes Wochenende.
It's a schönes Wochenende.
Schönes
Schönes Wochenende.
Schönes Wochenende.
Nur schönes Wochenende Fahrrad.
Ja. Oh, das ist ja fest. Oberstdorf! This is so schön. Okay.
We're next.
I kind of feel like I need to explain what's been going on. We got regional tickets. They were like 10 euros from Freiburg all the way to Oberstdorf. But we've had to take...
Oberstdorf.
Yeah. It's very fun to say. But we've had to take a lot of different trains. And this is another
like 6
Alex.
trains.
The Alex train.
Another one of our Alex trains.
No,
but
it's the outside.
here we're the party.
No.
There's no party.
We are the party here.
We are the party.
We are the party.
That bachelor party ain't got nothing. No.
Welcome to Oberstdorf. Oberstdorf. I messed it up. Oberstdorf.
Oberstdorf. Oberstdorf.
Welcome to the Bavarian Alps. You know the phrase restaurant with a view? Try this.
1, 2, 3, Prost!
Hello. Hi. Pretty good.
Allison, are you liking our slightly crispy pork?
It's so good.
It's so good.
It's so good.
Slightly crispy.
Kind of crispy. It's kind of crispy.
It's just kind of crispy.
It's kind of crispy.
It really, it lives up to the
kind of
name.
crispy.
Da oben auch noch einen Tisch, da ist ein bisschen wärmer, wenn ihr wollt.
Okay. Can we take that guy home? Yeah. Hey, they give us blankets.
Okay.
Food was good.
So good! So good!
I know where we can go. I know where we can go. And it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real